guys, welcome back to another video. Carbuster Jake right here. So you're gonna need a bike, a big one.
No, and it doesn't have to be a big one, but it certainly doesn't have.
Well, no training wheels, but
Yeah, no training
so get
wheels.
a water bottle, drink it out, pour it out, squish it flat, and then put it in the back or the front.
Put it in there. Get a water bottle. Make sure it's empty.
Yeah.
And then put it through the back wheel, not the front wheel. Well, you can do that.
You could,
but you get more sound with the back wheel.
Okay, so here's what it sounds like. It sounds like a dirt bike.
Here's what it sounds like. Doesn't sound that loud. Okay, now can you bring my bike over here? Just kidding. Okay, now Grant is going to be the cameraman.
Wait, 1 second, guys.
I don't know what he's doing. Okay, here's Grant. He's gonna be the cameraman. I'm gonna go get my.
Okay, so there goes Sutton, my bike. So you see water bottle, my hand's black. He put a card on his. I put a water bottle. Hear it? Hardly.
Okay, here guys, we have a card.
Yeah, a baseball card.
Bring it up close. Bring the camera up.
So, like, you need like a baseball or basketball card or Pokemon card.
And you need some.
A couple, like 3.
What are those called? I forgot.
Basketball.
Three of these things.
Zip ties.
Yeah, zip ties. 3 zip ties. Cut 3 holes, and then close to the edge. 3 holes close to the edge, but not that close. And then bend it and put the zip ties through the holes. And you know how to put zip ties together.
Yeah.
And then here's what it sounds like.
Hear it? It's quiet. He just failed. Hey, how's that fail?
Oh no. Dude, it's not loud.
Well, I know, because you don't have a water bottle.
I need this. So guys, that's it. It's not that loud to the camera because the camera is really far away from it. So if you're actually riding it, you can hear it.
Yeah. And if
Very
you can
well.
hear mine.
Can you hold the camera? I will see you guys when I see you guys.